Oh, it's made Custom Cruise. You can see here, brand new brakes, brand new drive shaft. All the boots are good, all this is good. Massive under seal. Protected this thing for years. You can see here the under seal. This was done in 03. Drums were new in 03. Brakes are now brand new, the pads are all brand new. You can see here. Okay. The other side, the shaft was brand new in 03. All the boots are still good and everything's brand new. Gearbox seals are done, they're all brand new. You can see here the other brake and the other side. Okay, everything really good. Again, the under seal really does work. You can see there's no rust at all. Keeps the brake pipes from rusting, everything. I've just touched up where the pipes are there. Paint the end of this, get some of the rust off this, redo this. But all this really good condition, as you can see. Coming along. Original pepper pots. Just again, all the under seal you can see, no rust. The exhaust is going to be swapped. All the brake pipes covered in under seal as usual, like I always have done, no matter what vehicle it is. That's got to go back up into the receiver. These are new brake pipes. There's new. In fact, that one's tightening up. What else? Yeah, that one's doing. Need to check them actually. Mind you saying I've just bled them, chucked all the fluid out. I'll check that. Being honest with you, I will check that. But you can see underneath, very good condition. Okay, so if you want a fully restored 205 CTI, which are pretty rare, these are the Pininfarina built ones. As you can see, this is Pininfarina. All the panels are made in Italy. There's a new one of these going on. That'll be got rid of. Apart from that, absolutely amazing vehicle. Had it for about 30 years. If you're interested, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or email your best bet sales@customcruisers.com. Thank you.